Good morning, good morning. We're going to spotlight Blind Pass. It's a body of water that separates Sanibel from Captiva. 2 beaches either side, 2 parking lots either side. The beach on the northern side, on the Captiva side, is called Turner Beach. The beach on the southern side, or the Sanibel side, is called Blind Pass Beach. This is a view looking back out towards the Gulf of Mexico. And then looking ahead of you is the Castaways Beach and Bay Cottages, just to the left of Blind Pass. The original bridge was a wooden bridge. The current bridge was put in place in 1990. The bridge is super popular for fishing. All sorts of species there: redfish, snook, sheep's head, mangrove snapper. You always find fishermen on the rocks to the left-hand side, and also under and around the bridge. Lots of shelling, especially behind the breakwater. You often see people there digging for shells. Swimming is not recommended around the pass. It's very tidal and the current goes through very quickly. This is a great shot looking from the Gulf of Mexico, taking you through Blind Pass, and then the channel past it is called Wolford Channel, and then the body of water in the distance is called Pine Island Sound. I hope you've enjoyed this glimpse of Blind Pass. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one.